In this guide, I'll show you how to update your Xbox controller on PC and fix issues if it's not working. Now, in order to do this, you will need a USB-C cable that you can plug into your controller to your PC. And what you want to do is on your desktop, go down to the search bar and you want to type in Microsoft and then select the Microsoft Store. Now, if for whatever reason you don't have the Microsoft Store on your computer, you can always go to the Microsoft website. Now, what you want to do is go up to search and type in Xbox accessories. Then you want to select the Xbox accessories tool, which is created by Microsoft. And from here, you can install it for free. And then you want to open up the program. Once you're here, you want to plug in your Xbox controller to your PC. And if your cable works, it should pop up like this. Now, what you want to do is go down to the three dots, which is more options. And from here, you want to update your Xbox wireless controller with the latest firmware version, which will fix a lot of issues related to connectivity with your PC, and it just makes it work a lot better. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.